In today's video, I'll show you how to configure an agent signature in Zendesk, a simple way to keep your emails professional and reinforce your brand identity. Start by heading to the Zendesk homepage and signing in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, look for the settings icon, usually in the lower left corner, and click Go to Admin Center. Inside the Admin Center, open Workspaces, then select Agent Interface. Here, scroll down until you find the signature. This is where you can create your agent's signature. A good signature usually includes the agent's name, job title, company name, and contact details like email or phone number. Think of it as a digital business card. Once you've typed it in, click Save at the bottom of the page. From now on, every message your agent sends will automatically include that signature. And that's it. You've successfully set up an agent signature in Zendesk.